जे वेस्टर्न बायपास आसा तेका हांव MLA आसतना एसेंब्लींत उलयल्लो आनी एसेंब्लींत हेंय सांगलें गोवोरमेंटाक तिण्यान रोड वता आसतना आमचे वयल्यान व्हरो नाका म्हणून म्हणजे बाणालकारां वयल्यान कित्याक हांगा कसलें प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी जावपाचें आसा तें कोणूच नको. हांगा जायते लोक येता आनी हें सांगता कितें आतां कांय जावंक ना म्हणून, पूण अशें सांगपी बाणालकार भोव थोडे आसा. बाणालकारांक विचारलें जाल्यार बाणालकार म्हणटले आमकां हांगा प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून, कित्याक तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जाले जाल्यार ते आपल्या गांवांत वयतले, पूण बाणालकारांक बाणालेच रावंक जाय. एसेंब्लींत सांगलें हें आमकां नाका म्हणून. तरूय आसतना हांवें लेटर घातलेली गोवोरमेंटाक म्हणजे बंद करचो म्हणून. इवन गडकरी कडेन उलयता आसतना हांवें सांगलें हेका आमकां वयल्यान जाय म्हणून, ग्रावंड हें नाका, कित्याक आमचें वॉटर स्टोरेज आसा ती ऑलरेडी काबार जाल्ली आसा त्या एरियांत. आमकां उदक येता वेर्नासान, सो वेर्नासान बाणाले येवन सगळी स्टोरेज जाता, ताचे उपरांत ती रिवरांत वयता. तर आमी हें गोवोरमेंटा कडेन पयलेंय मागलोलें आनी गोवोरमेंटान आमकां आतां इतलो तेंप बंद आसलें हांव आसतना, आतां परत स्टार्ट करूंक लागले. तर हें लोकां कडेन मागतात आमी म्हणजे मुखार येवचें आनी हें बंद करचें म्हणून. इवन हांव म्हजे रिक्वेस्ट प्रमोद सावंताक सालसेतींत आसल्यान हांचो जीव काडून तुमी रस्तो व्हरो नाका म्हणून, कित्याक तांकां तें नॉर्थाक रावन तांकां बोलतें जालां, हांगा कितें जाता तें पळयनात ते आनी तांकां पडोवनूय वचोंक ना. तर रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रमोद सावंताक तेणें हाचेर नदर दवरची. ते इतलेंच म्हणटात आमी सुरालेतान मागलो, इट इज 3 किलोमिटर्स रस्तो आहलो सुरालेतान हांगा पासून बेनावली. तेन्ना तेमी सांगलें 600 crores तांकां देस्पेस जाता म्हणून. आतां तो शॉर्ट जाल्लो, तर हांकां जावन एक 200 कोटी जाता. 200 कोटी जाले, एक गांवचे आख्या गांवच्या लोकांचो जीव घेवंक जावचो ना तेमी आनी अशें करचें न्ही म्हणून हें रिक्वेस्ट म्हणजे गोवोरमेंटाक एज वेल बाणावले.
I'm the Punch member in the Benaulim Panchayat. Now, the government is taking an initiative of dredging the River Sal, which I feel is useless because they are going to fill up the low-lying area, and filling up a low-lying area and dredging the river makes no sense. So, on behalf of the village, I would request the government to do proper study before spending the taxpayers' money and give us a proper report of what will happen when you fill up the low-lying area and what will happen if you just dredge it without, after filling the low-lying area. So that would be our request to the government.
We told the government that we are not against the western bypass being done. We only demanded that instead of filling up land, it should be on stilts. Here, ho issue घेवन we appealed to the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in November, soon after the protest. And तेजे फाटल्यान the minister directed the Goa State Biodiversity Board to conduct an inspection. The inspection was conducted on 19 December 2019 along with the TCP, the Water Resource Department, the Agriculture Department and the Survey Department. Through RTIs, we have got all the reports from these departments. But till date, even till 15th of November, the Goa Biodiversity Board, neither the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has given us any report. I will share with the press the reports which are given by the TCP, WRD and the Agriculture Department. We connected all these departments because it is just not about filling. We will see that the water bodies are getting destroyed. We see that the agriculture, not only at the place where it is going to get filled, Taja Fude, in Walde Tode, Boyaha, Ardzule Tode, all those areas are going to have a effect once this filling starts. So we had all these departments who have written to the Goa State Biodiversity Board that stilts is the only option to save the environment and have a balance. So that was the way these three departments have referred. In fact, even the survey department has assigned has clearly stated which are the water bodies, which are fields. They have clearly given the directions to the Goa State Biodiversity Board. तेरीपासून कांय जावंक ना. We have further written to the Revenue Minister to come up with a disaster management plan for Benawali. आमी disaster जावपाकू रावपाक नाका. We know Benawali has been flooding from time immemorial. The elders of this village will tell you how many years it has been flooded. And if it is flooding, and now you all are creating a disaster, so a proper disaster management plan was required. But they have directed the PWD Highways to give a proper study. Till date, the PWD Highways has not given any study to the disaster management cell. So आमचो group हे press conference घेवंक सोदता. लोकां मुखार आमचो वेस्टर्न बायपास जो आमी झगडत आसात, गव्हर्मेंटाची मांडणी करीत आसात, हेज्या विशीं तुमकां आनी थोडीशी म्हायती दिवपाक आयज आमी सांजचोय आमचो एक पीसफूल कॅन्डल लायट प्रोटेस्टूय दवरलेलो आहा. आफ्टर फ्रिक्वेंट फॉलोअप्स विथ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट्स ऑन द 9th of October 2020 a meeting was called up. We had written to this minister that we want a all department meeting in which the chief town planner was present. We had a chief engineer of the water resource. We had the executive engineer of the PWD highways along with the assistant engineer. We also had the pollution control board. We had the director of environment. We had the health officials there. All these departments were present, and we put across to them that what are the effects of filling this land. They try to tell us that it's only after the Kalle properties was filled that the flooding is happening. I could show them that is not just in 2002 onwards, but in even much before. I would like to place on record that one of my relative had drowned in the 1980s over there, and Mr. Agnello Fernandez, my father, and our current MLA, Mr. Churchill Alemao, were the ones who recovered the dead body. And even if you ask them, they would be able to tell you that in their childhood also that place was getting flooded. Whereas the report, the minutes of the meeting, which is sent to us, I will circulate it to you, states that there was no flooding earlier, and it's only in the last few years. And in this year, in August, there was flooding happening, even in June. But the BMC chairman says there was no flooding, which is really, instead of working in the interest of the village, he has gone against it. Today, it's 1 year. We waited. I have written personally to the Minister for Environment, at least for the Diwali, give us a gift for the children of Benawali and the generations to come by assuring us the bypass to be on stilts. Since we saw that there is no hope from them, we have decided to take this protest to a next level. In fact, we expected that they will always come up with different reasons, and we saw that on the 11th of November, the PWD, instead of coming up with the detailed project report, in fact, in the meeting which was held on 9th October, the minister, Mr. Nilesh Kabral, directed them that in 1 month's time to come up with the hydrology studies and a detailed study, hydrology studies for the water resource department, and the PWD had to do proper ground survey and come up with the reports. But it's 1 month. Instead of having reports and a proper across the table discussion, which he had assured after a month, the NH has gone to state that they are going ahead with the tender's approval. This is what the government has gifted us for the village. We had demanded that proper hydrology studies has to be done, because the river Sal doesn't originate in Benawali. The river originates from Nuve. And if you all have seen, the media, the people have seen that the hydrology, the flow pattern of water is totally disturbed after the NH has been constructed in Nuve area. The entire wetlands have been disturbed. In February, our village panchayat, along with our village panchayat members and the people, the children, we celebrated International Wetlands Day in February, 2nd of February. We wrote to them that they have to demarcate or classify the areas as wetlands, which is not yet done, but they are in the proposal. So when it is a wetland, how can the highways go ahead and build a flyover? In fact, we are being more considerate. We have cases in Calcutta where they have even stopped flyovers, but still, because we do not want to destroy the investment which is already done for the highways throughout only this 2.75 kilometer stretch which is pending, we are allowing the government to give us that little respite by giving the entire stretch on stilts. Only stilts will save Benauli. I would like to, before we end, I would like to appeal again to the people of Benauli and to Goa. Please come out in support of our movement. This is not opposing any project, but giving them a suggestion for a sustainable development. Today's event in the evening, we will have our volunteers there present. It is a peaceful candlelight protest. We are not here to abuse, not here to shout slogans, but we are here today in the evening to pray for Benauli. Today happens to be the feast of Our Lady of Livramen. As आम्ही आत पळय केला ते till now has been peaceful, and we will be in the same way, but the legal course will be coming into action now. We tried, we gave the government an opportunity. Instead of just going in courts and fighting there, we gave them an opportunity to आम्ही आत पळय केला ते till now has been peaceful, and we will be in the same way, but the legal course will be coming into action now. We tried, we gave the government an opportunity. Instead of just going in courts and fighting there, we gave them an opportunity to amend what they are doing. In fact, we have seen that the environment minister was considering the stilts for a certain section. I understand there is investment, but it is very shocking to see that the government waves off 200 and odd crores for casinos, whereas that amount could have been invested in Benauli and you could sustain. Why are they leaving that amount for the casinos? Even if you see in MPT, those Adani and Jindal also still owe the government money. That also you all are leaving, but you cannot put in money for the future generations of Goa. You are leaving them. What is this? Meaning, I do not want to say that they are giving them, but it is evident by the way they are behaving that the government is favoring the capitalists but not the people. We request that they prioritize people first, then those projects. If you put a place...
What is the future course of action? That's what
the legal course. We are going the legal way now. We tried all this time, but in fact something interesting to see is that the Congress MLA in Naveli could manage to convince the government that it is a low-lying area. In the High Court petitions, I have got under RTI from the PWD. There's a letter written by MLA Mr. Luizin Falero to ask for stilts, and there was an inspection which was done. They did, but why didn't the Benauli MLA do that? Wasn't a low-lying area? Why did? And it is current now. I'm not talking about a past. It was done now. The PWD is on record in its affidavits where it states that they inspected a site and they saw it's a low-lying area. I have asked the executive engineer, sir, you saw a low-lying area in Naveli. How come you didn't see a low-lying area in Benauli? I've showed them a present because they are insisting on service roads. So if service roads are coming, then again there is traffic congestion. What we are demanding is, please put on stilts to get onto the flyover. Naveli is not far for us, neither is Sarauli far for us. We can go to either of these places and get onto the highway to reach our destinations. Because if you are going to have service roads in the wetlands, it's destroying the entire hydrology and the environment. At 6 o'clock near Zudio, and we'll be having a small prayer service. So today we want to
हांव झेवियर पेरेरा, पंच member, village panchayat Kana Benauli. From 2015, ह्या वर्सासान आमी वो वेस्टर्न बायपास प्रोजेक्ट ओपोज करीत आयल्या. कित्याक तो वेस्टर्न बायपास जो प्रोजेक्ट आहा तो प्लॅन आमगे वॉटर कॅचमेंट एरिया आनी लो लायंग फिल्ड्स आहा हितूंतल्यान प्लॅन केला. आमगे ग्राम सभेन एक रेजोल्यूशन पास केलें रिजनल प्लॅन डिस्कस करता तेन्ना आनी आमी हें स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक फॉवर्ड केल्लें की आमकां वेस्टर्न बायपास जायो ऑन स्टिल्ट्स. आनी आज पासून आमगेलो डिमांड टच आसा आनी हायकोर्ट मॅटर आहा थिंगाय हो रेकॉर्ड केलो आसा. सो बेनावली सरावली जो पळय स्ट्रेच आहा हो नॅशनल हायवेन ड्रॉप केला आनी हायकोर्टान तांकां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक डायरेक्शन दिलें डिटेल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट रेडी कर म्हूण. आज पासून आमगे गव्हर्मेंटान हेजे वयर कांयच केलें ना.